Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin on Wednesday wrote to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressing concern over the sudden cancellation of the private Hajj quota. He also urged the Prime Minister Narendra Modi to take up the issue with the authorities in the Gulf country and seek a swift resolution. In his letter, Stalin also highlighted that the abrupt cancellation has caused considerable distress among thousands of Indian Muslim pilgrims who were eagerly preparing for the upcoming Hajj pilgrimage. Also, I am given to understand that there have been sudden reduction in the India's Hajj quota by the Saudi Arabia. Approximately 52,000 Hajj seat earmarked for private Hajj tour operatives that have been cancelled. This abrupt decision has left many pilgrims who have already completed payments in the state of deep anxiety and uncertainty, says the Chief Minister. Also calling it the matter of great concern and urgent concern, he has also raised the sudden cancellation issue with the Prime Minister Modi. Also, this is causing a significant distress among the thousands of Indian Muslim pilgrims, including many from Tamil Nadu who are eagerly preparing for the upcoming Hajj pilgrimage. He urged Prime Minister Modi to raise the issue with the Saudi authority and secure a resolution. Considering the gravity of the situation, I request that the matter may be taken up with the authorities in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia urgently and seek an expeditious remedy. I am sure that your inward vision of the restoring of the Hajj quota and providing the reassurance to the pilgrims and their families would be taken with great regard. According to the Chief Minister, in January 2025, India signed a bilateral agreement with the Saudi Arabia finalizing a quota of 1,75,000 pilgrims for the Hajj 2025. The quota was divided in a 70-30 ratio between the state Hajj committee and the private Hajj operators. Also, accordingly, 1,22,000 seats were allocated to the State Hajj Committee and accordingly 52,000 seats were reserved for the private players. However, the Saudi Arabia recently reduced India's private Hajj quota by 80%, affecting around 52,000 Indian pilgrims who were planning to undertake the pilgrimage through the private tour operator.